Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing fabulous today. As you know by the title, is a mommy tip, easy makeup on the go for mamas, and I really hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up before we get started. So let's get to it. Coffee. I just realized, honestly, that I am wearing pineapple shirt and my pineapple mug. Can you tell I love pineapples? Can you tell? Can you tell? Like, no, you can't. So I'm gonna get started with my face. So I did my eyebrows already, as you can tell, because they take forever to do. Wanted to skip this step. I know everybody's timing is different. So I'm going to go ahead and do my primer. Yes, I do like to wear my primer when it comes to powder foundations. I want my foundation to last, first of all. And I do have oily skin. So as you can tell, I have some imperfections. So I'm going to try and conceal that. Alright, but before I use my powder foundation, I'm going to use my concealer under my eyes first, because I don't want to put concealer over powder foundation. So I'm just going to go blend my concealer here. Wow, that's crazy how of a difference the concealer can do to your eye. Crazy, right? Crazy. Now, if you want to take the extra step, if you have time, you want to highlight a little bit. I want to look awake and fresh, you know. Again, this is if you want to take the extra step. You could have just stopped at the Maybelline concealer and start with your foundation. I'm going to set the concealer under my eyes, and we're going to do the Wet n Wild contouring palette in Caramel Toffee. So that is that, and then I'm going to do one more step for under the eyes because I know I'm going to crease. I just know we don't want that concealer to move anywhere, girl. We want that to last for our errands, dropping off our kids at school, for a grocery shopping day. I don't know, whatever you gotta do, girl. Alright, so I'm just concealing these imperfections here. Alright, so I'm just gonna buff this, not buff, stamp it onto my face. Now again, if you don't have time to do this part, just skip this part. This is what I will do. I will definitely put some concealer and cover those little imperfections, which honestly they're probably still gonna show, but probably not as much. Alright, so moving on to foundation. So I want to go ahead and add foundation to the cap here, and it's all over the place. And I'm gonna use the e.l.f. foundation blurry brush. I'll put a before and after for you guys so you guys can see the fabulous coverage this foundation gives. And as you can tell, it gives a beautiful glow. Like, look at that, beautiful. Do a little bronzer. I'm not really caring about contouring today because again, this is supposed to be an easy, quick makeup, but we also don't want to look flat, you know, after that foundation that we added. I don't want to look just like a plain old color, so I want to add some color to my skin. And the reason I'm not buffing the bronzer is because I don't want to mess up the foundation, since the foundation, it is powder, so I don't want to mess with it. Didn't mess with me, I don't want to mess with her. Alright, so I'm going to use this guy, and this one is to give me a little bit more glow. Again, just on the cheek area. And then I'm just going to do a little bit of blush, and this is the Tarte Embellish. This one is like my favorite blush ever. This one has been always my go-to. And then I just want to add a little bit of glow just a little bit. I don't want to go too crazy. Just to give me that beautiful glow. Alright, so I'm just gonna mesh everything together with that same brush and just cleaning it off on my hand. I always do that. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. Obviously, this is probably taking a little longer because I'm talking and explaining what I'm doing. This will probably take you less than 10 minutes to do if you know what you're gonna use, if you know what you want. And I just want to explain to you guys. I want to talk to you guys. Okay, when I need to go somewhere and I have a short amount of time to put up some makeup, I always seem to go to this palette. Just have all your pretty neutral colors that you can use on an everyday basis. I don't really like the transition colors on here though. They're kind of dark for what I want to go for. So I'm just going to use my bronzer for a little transition shade here. You can even just end up with this transition shade and then just color it in with the same color, put on some mascara, and you're out the door, girl. But, yes, girl, yes. I want to add some shimmer. And I'm just adding little by little because I am not looking for fallout today. I'm actually going to use this brown one right here. Alright, so I added some eyeliner on my lower lash line so I could just wanted a pop of color and weight. This is by Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. Now we're going to do the lips, and you can do a simple look, you can do a bold, colorful look since it's summer, but I want to keep it neutral, so I want to go ahead and add some lip gloss. And this is a clear lip gloss from NYX. It's called Let's Glaze. I think this is a new one, and this is more like a lip plumper as well. Alright, and then our last step is going to be a finishing spray, and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild matte finish. Alright, now that we are all dried out from that finishing spray, that pretty much completes our look for today. Now, I feel like it probably didn't seem quick and easy for you mommies, but I promise you it'll probably take you about less than 10 minutes. You know, especially if you know what products you're going to use, what look you have in mind, and you know, that whole enchilada. I just wanted to do the extra mile, and this is basically what I would do if I'm in a hurry and if I had a little bit of extra time. I will go ahead and throw in an eyeshadow. Otherwise, I wouldn't throw an eyeshadow, and I wouldn't have thrown a matte lipstick. I would just go for just a clear lip gloss, and maybe just take this with me on the go in case I have some time in the car or something. Alright, my loves, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and learned something today, and try out this look to see how long would it take you to get this whole look done. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. And don't forget, what makes you different makes you beautiful. I love you guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.